So this one, there are actually 3 sales on the same crescent. One of them, there's supposed to be vintage dishes and old things.
Okay.
At it. And today's the first day, and it just started a half hour ago. And they're also on tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, looks like it's right there.
So yeah, here we go.
Oh, what's this one? 53. 53, 69, and 119. So there's, yeah, and then the other one looks like it's up around the corner.
Okay, is that Renee?
I think so.
Okay, let's go.
Why does he look like a musketeer today?
I don't know.
He does.
Where's the other 2? Renee?
Hey, how the heck are ya?
Good, you?
Fat and ugly, normal.
Well,
That wasn't the response I expected.
My mom told me when I was a little kid, you have to be able to accept your limitations. After that, everything is easy. I'm fat and I'm ugly, let's just get on with it. I'm fine with that. I ain't gonna change now.
Is that you?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay. That's a nice jacket.
I can try it on if you think I should.
It's a large.
No, he's at.
I think it's a men's. I don't know. Lambskin.
So is Bob.
Oh, look, there's like for your pen. Yeah, lambskin.
Well, I'll try it.
Sure. You're here and try it.
I love your tights.
Oh, thanks. They're jeans.
Are they?
Yeah.
I'm a big, I have a whole collection. I collect Katrinas, and I'm a big follower of Day of the Dead.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. They're jeans, Holly. I love them. They look like leggings.
Yeah. I know, I can see now.
Perfect.
Oh, yeah, that does fit you nice. Maybe a bit big in here. There's a mirror out there. I'll hold it up for you if you want. Okay.
Is there a mirror out here?
Yeah, out here. Right here. Isn't this the mirror? Tell me where it should be.
Keep going back. Okay, there you go. That's not bad. Now that I see it on me, I kind of like it.
You know, it does look nice on you.
Okay. So,
Oh my
nice
God.
that did it on the hanger.
This mirror's in the corner.
Oh, do you?
Do you?
Why do I? And then I'm thinking,
Oh, and then you
That's
recognize
it.
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, it's nice to meet a watcher.
Yeah.
You know what?
That's great.
We always love to meet people that watch us. And,
I like to watch your, look at your stuff.
Yeah.
Interesting stuff.
Here, I'll let you carry that. Yeah, that's
they go 25.
probably. Oh my, look at that. This is sterling. 50 cents?
Yeah, 50 cents an item.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's say that's 50 cents.
The list, he took $20 for that. Yeah.
One spoons. Just gonna have a sip of yours while I was sitting here.
So we got that and this.
Yeah.
Would you go 25 for it all?
Sure.
That'd be great.
Yep.
Thank you.
I don't even know what's in there.
It's 50 cents. It was
Yeah.
No, it's $25
It was a 50-cent item.
for everything. Thanks very much.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy your day.
It looked good on him, so.
It did look
yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
You know, I bought it for my husband. It was too big. The sleeves were too
It's
long.
nice
it fit
lamb.
nice, but the
Yeah.
sleeves were too long. And when I took it back to like the boutique of leather, they wanted like to send it away. It was going to be almost the same price as
Oh
the
my
cost
goodness.
of the jacket to just shorten the sleeves.
Oh.
So it's been hanging in the closet for probably like 5 years,
Barely
never worn.
used,
Never
never
worn.
Yeah.
Well, I've worn
It's in
maybe
really nice
Put it
condition.
on and then say,
Thanks, you too.
hey, how's it going? Good, good? Yeah. No, that's great. Look at that.
Yeah, that's nice. It's lamb. It's so soft.
It is really soft.
Yeah.
I can't believe that. So he spent, I don't know, however much money on this jacket. I'm thinking a couple $100 or something.
And then,
And then it was going to cost that much to get the sleeves shortened.
I know.
So they just never wore
So
it.
he never wore it because he didn't like the way it fit. The sleeves are long. They're even a little bit long on you, but whatever.
Oh, it looks pretty good on me. And I think for $25.
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
Okay.
Next one.
On to the next.
Oh, we're
Yeah,
just,
we'll
we're just gonna walk.
right?
Should I lock the truck though?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, and this guy, sterling maple leaf.
Cool.
Yeah,
Kind of got that for free.
yeah.
$5 off the jacket. Oh, they got a car lift in here. Holy smokes. look at
Wow.
that.
That's not for sale.
Well, I wouldn't know what to do with it anyway, even if it was. Obviously, a guy that likes his mechanics.
Well,
Wow.
yeah, not this garage.
Nice.
Yeah, it was all done when I got
This
this.
is an old classic car you got up there?
72 olds, yeah.
Nice. Look at these shoes.
Yeah, the toe shoes, yeah.
I don't know how I.
They would feel weird.
They would, yeah.
I feel so strange walking underneath this car.
I feel like you should maybe perform an oil change or something.
Yeah. Where's my wrench?
There's another one of these.
Oh yeah, the windshield. So
Bowls.
there is a local artist in our province that creates these dishes out of windshields of old cars.
I couldn't find them though.
No,
I tried-
we don't know who he is.
No, here's some more of those root
This
beer.
is just all word of mouth that we've been told, but that's what these bowls are.
Yeah.
Pretty neat.
Isn't that pretty?
Look at that.
Oh, it's been
cracked.
broken. More than cracked. Oh, are these sterling lids? I think so, yep. Tall.
Yeah.
And then are these ones might be as well? Hey, guy standing in the light, thank you.
That's me.
Yeah, thanks. I don't know what they want. It just says offers on these things. Oh, that's interesting. The glasses. Oh no. Do you like the picture on it?
Well, I don't know. I thought maybe that was something that you would like. You like these things, I thought.
Yeah, it's okay. I guess it would depend how much it is. I would change this out. I think I put a person in there.
Okay.
Oh, is that the big bowl? Oh, yes,
Yeah.
for that. Aw, isn't that cute? See, that's be a nice set. Mm-hmm. No, there's no metal on it.
You're right. But that's all he's got is this one bowl and the
just
five little bowls.
I think a salad, and that maybe is your like side salad. I'm not sure.
Your ice cream?
Your ice cream.
Salad and side salad. What kind of health nut are you?
Yeah, you're the one on a diet. It's nice linens.
Are you in charge?
Yes.
I'm just wondering what you're wanting for these things.
Make me an offer. What do you think's fair?
What do you think?
Oh, I don't know. It's your money. Got
Got a chip, yeah, on the bottom. Is this one? This one looks. Oh, this one a little bit, but not like.
Yeah, they all probably have little.
Yeah,
Issues,
well
eh?
used. Yeah.
Yeah.
Still lovely though. Oh.
There goes Christmas.
No, that's
Christmas is
Halloween.
ruined. Oh, Halloween.
Go 5?
5 for everything?
Yeah.
Not for this.
Not for this, eh?
No.
So what are you thinking on that?
I was thinking of 10 on that myself.
10 just on that?
Yeah.
Okay. That is up to you.
And then what about these ones then?
$1 a piece.
So I'll get these guys.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. The other one's a ways down.
Yeah, it's quite a bit down there.
Oh,
Didn't open.
Oh,
I don't know what happened.
the 100 or whatever.
119.
yeah, that's it. Really?
So
Alrighty.
I don't know what happened.
Maybe you should check on her. Huh, okay. Yeah, 10. I mean, it's okay.
It's probably worth $10, but
These are better.
are they?
Yeah, I like these. You know I like these.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Well, it's too bad she wouldn't go for that mirror.
Okay. But if you want $10, why didn't you put that on it?
It's a good question.
What's fair? I hate that,
Asking us not to be the buyer and the seller, that's fair.
right?
I don't want to buy it and also have to sell it to
Yeah.
myself. Come up with a price.
Really grinds my gears.
So this priest walks into a hotel and walks up to the counter and says, listen, before I register, you have to tell me, are your porn channels disabled? And the clerk looks at him and says, no, they're the regular porn channels, you sick.